Hi everyone and welcome to my place. Many requests. Astar, I don't want all of that orangey stuff for the holidays. I want something that's a little shabby chicish, a little bit pumpkin-y, a little bit raw and organic into a long trough. Well, I'm here to help. I have the long trough. Here it is, terracotta, and I just knocked the edge of it with, believe it or not, because it was too wet to go outside, a little bit of white nugget that you use for your shoes. You know, the canvas white shoes? Perfect stuff. Now, we want something that is a little bit rustic, a little bit informal. Well, the next to go into here are going to be some spruce. Where did this come from? There was none around. As I said, it's been a bit wetter here at my place. This was on a Christmas wreath, so I just took it off. But if you've got access to some fresh, you could just use that. And pretty much all I'm doing is just filling in the exterior, the cavity of my container, like so. Don't have to be neat and tidy, just put it in. Some bits can go over the sides if you want them to. Some are higher into the middle. Look, I've got two other bits here. Just going to put that into there and that can go into there. Now, will we put the pumpkins in first? No, we won't. I want to talk about this here, which is phylica or flannel flower, which I got when we were at Mangrove Creek Farm. This was I just love watching this growing, and what I love about it is it dries off beautifully, and I thought that that texture would be beautiful into this arrangement. So a little bit of that down to there. I've got, how many bits have I got? I've got 3 bits, righto. So we'll bring that to come sitting up a little bit higher and get rid of that. This bit can just go, I'll put that over to there. Perfect. Now I've got some beautiful berries. Let's bring in some white berries. The reason I'm using the white berries is because it connects back into my container. That can go to there, and then I'm just going to have another bit just hanging over the sides like so. Now I've got some pumpkins. These pumpkins here started off like this. I just put a coat of the nugget from the shoes on to the outside of the pumpkins. I had a whole heap of these from that I did last year for Christmas. Do you think I could find them when I needed them? No, I couldn't. So I had to go and get some more out of the bunker and put them in. Right, so I've got the 2 white ones there, and with this green one, I'll just put the satay stick up and into there. That can go to there. And I've got this one here, so I'm just going to bring that up and over and into there. I've got these little short ones which I'm just going to bring through to here. These can just cluster together like so. Where's that other one? I knew I had 4. That can go over to there, and then this one could go into there like, whoops, I want you to sit there, don't you fall. That can just go down into there. Oh, that fell off. Bit rough, never mind. Okay, now if you wanted to, you could put some beautiful gum nuts into here, which I think would give us another texture. So these are artificial, so just use it. I should have my wire cutters, but I couldn't find those. So I just thought that that could just go up into there like, oh yeah, nice, into there like so. Now, do I like that there or do I not like it there? I don't actually like that there because I am losing my line. So these, I think, take that out of there, put that down into there closer, then put that into, better. We want it there, but we don't want it to be too dominating. So take this one here, do the same thing with that. And when it comes, if you don't have any wire cutters, what I find is, if you, I've done it, but like I just usually score that and then push it down, and then that will just snap off. Now with this, I think I'm just going to bring that out and over to there like so. Now, if you're wanting to bring in just a little bit of fall, how about just a few of these? Just a little, because I've got some lovely little sort of that rusty colour on there. I'm just going to bring that into there. I just love it when you can achieve a really quick and easy design without actually having to apply too much work to it. How is that? And that can just go over to there like so. And now, little problem just started. I've got a bit there, I've got a bit there, and I've got that bit there. And I just think that I need a little bit more out the other side. So see what as I was saying, just bend that, and then that should just cut off. And then see how I've got that little bit there? Now that is going to make getting it into the design a little bit not nice. So we'll just cut that bit off. Hold on, I really should have done that. You need a bit more. There we go, got it. And I'm just going to bring that over. Whoops, we'll go into that way. Get in there. That can just go into there like that. And fall for the table. Could be for Thanksgiving, could be on a mantelpiece, could be on an entrance table, could be anywhere. Quick and easy designing. I love it the best. I hope you've enjoyed this. I've enjoyed sharing it with you. And I hope, please, I hope that for all those who asked, this fits the bill. See you again another day.